Hello, welcome to Tech to Learn, where you learn coding and more. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about the C++ assignment operators with examples. Without any delay, let's roll the intro. First, I am opening C++ code editor. You can use your favorite IDE to write the C++ code. I am using online GDB online editor to write C++ code. This is the basic structure of C++ code. It is already said in the previous videos. Now we are going to see the assignment operator. Basically, assignment operator is nothing but assigning a value to a variable. Assignment operator is nothing but equal to, like int is a data type and a is a variable, and here we are assigning a value of 5 to a variable a. Here we are using assignment operator. When we print a variable, we will get output as 5 because we are assigning 5 value to the variable a. This is known as assignment operators. Here we can use the arithmetic operators with assignment operator. Like, we can use arithmetic operators to produce some value, and we can use the assignment operator to assign that value to a different variable. Here I used all type of operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo division, and I assigned those value to the different variables named b, c, d, e and f. When we click run, here we will get the values according to that. Because we assigned the values like this, we can use the assignment operator to assign values or some variables to the different variable. Like we can assign a variable to another variable. We can see, take it as a variable. Let's take a variable, name it as g, and assign the variable name f. Then when we try to print g, it holds the value of f variable, and we can see that here f value is 0 and here g value is also 0. Now I commented out the all previous code. Now we are using shorthand property. Now we are using the shorthand property to get the same result. Like we can use a plus equal to 5. This 15th line statement is basically written like a equal to a plus 5, and we can write this statement as like this. This statement is shorthand property of this, and when we try to print, we can see that it will give the value of 10. It means a is the value of 5 and we added 5 to 5, then the a value becomes 10. And we can use this shorthand property for all the arithmetic operators like a minus equal to 5 and a star equal to 5 and a divided by equal to 5 and a modulo of 5. We can also use this type of shorthand property in subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo division also. Now I wrote the all lines of the code. When we run the program, it will produce same output as the previous one, like this. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.